Today I thought I'd take you along on today's Gelli printing journey. I'm using some golden fluid acrylic paints, and I also have some Folk Art satin finish multi-use acrylic paints. So I just gotten a bunch of inexpensive stencils in and figured a Gelli printing session would be a great way to try some of them out and use them up. So what you'll see is me putting paint onto the Gelli plate, laying the stencil down. I'm printing on computer paper. This is the most inexpensive way to do it. That way I'm not using up a bunch of paper if I don't happen to like some of the prints. Any of the ones that I like, I mount onto cardstock before creating very simple but cute little cards with them. And in the end, I'll show you the 10 cards that I made. But for right now, just watch along. Hola.
Hello.
There is some fresh avocado brownies out of the oven. Good enough. Let's do gray. So the doctor's office wanted to know if you wanted the call on the home phone or your cell phone. Pardon? Okay. I told him I'd phone back. I didn't give them your cell number. I just said I'd phone back after.
Probably won't answer if it's on my cell phone number.
Okay. That was kind of cool. You seem like you're still half asleep.
I wish I was asleep.
Perfect. All right, so here is all the cards that I created with those gel prints. Now, all of the sentiments that I cut out, I put into little Ziploc bags with little notes saying what those were, so those will be able to go onto future cards or projects. I had just gotten the bold text 1 and 2. I had ordered it and just came in around the time of this, so I decided to use a lot of them, well, one on every single card, plus a die cutter too, so that's one of them. Had a little balloon to the happy birthday to you. And that one, I thought it looked a little bit like a sun, so I did the choose to shine. This one here, this is the surprise that that surprised me most. I don't like orange and yellow typically, so I was actually surprised to see how much I liked this one here, and I thought the colorfulness would be a perfect birthday card. Love with all your heart, with just a little heart Impresslit there. Love that little butterfly die cut. I kept the design super simple because I wanted the focus to still be on the Gelli prints. I typically don't work a lot with prints or printed paper. It's just not necessarily my cup of tea, so I didn't want to add a lot of extra to these cards. I wanted those Gelli prints to be the focus. Love that little flower with that there. Another super simple one with the butterfly. And then this one here, this isn't my card design. It's adapted from one that Stacy Hillman did at the release, and she posted in the Facebook Addicts group. If you wanted to check her card out, it is in there. Just have to look up, I just looked up, I think it was bold text that made it come up. But there you go. Fun Gelli printing session and all sorts of cards that came out of it. So have fun playing with your Gelli plate. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you soon.